Hello dear, hope you are well. Today I discuss about Messi called the unity. The Champions League means a great fight in football. If you want to win the title of this tournament, which is organized with the best teams of different leagues in the world, there is no option to play consistently well from beginning to end. Lionel Messi knows the matter very well, and so the star forward Lionel Messi called on all PSG players to unite. PSG beat Real Madrid 1-0 in the first leg of the last 16 of the ongoing Champions League. Kylian Mbappe scored the winning goal in the last minute of the match held at the Paris Das Princes on 18 February. The Spanish giant will host the representatives of Paris in the second leg on March 10. As the margin of victory in the first leg is small, there is no chance for PSG to have any thought in the upcoming match. However, Morocco Pistons team will go to the quarterfinals even if they draw. Real Madrid, on the other hand, will only to be able to cross the last 16 if they win big. In an interview with PSG official magazine, Messi said, "Attackers don't just attack, defense don't just handle defense. We need to be strong in both areas. This formula will make us a competitive team that will help them win other titles, including the Champions League." The best player in the last Copa America thinks that PSG has played a big role in bringing together the Champions League and the French League One. The Champions League has come a long way in recent times. PSG has contributed to this. The club has also made French League One bigger in the world. Thank you for watching.